Hello everyone. Today we are going to see another lead code problem, which is minimum add to make parenthesis valid. How many minimum add means how many minimum number of parentheses we will add into the string so that it will become valid. Now let's see with an example. See here, one string has been given to me is equal to this. What does it mean? See this. Here you have open bracket, open parenthesis. I will call parenthesis as bracket. Now here closed bracket. So one open and another closed, so it is valid. So done. So remove them. Now come to the third one. Only one here closed. Here you have only one closed. So what we have to do is to make it valid, how many minimum number of parenthesis, that is called bracket, we need to add so that it will become valid. So we need to add one more, then it will become valid. Now let's see another example. If you see here, in this string you have three open bracket but there is no closed bracket. So to make it valid, how many minimum number of parentheses we need to add into this string? Three. Let's assume this is this and this. There are three open bracket, that is parenthesis. Then we, to make it this a string, this is a string, to make this a string valid, what we have to do is we have to add three closed, one, two, and three here. Then it will become a string, and then it will become a string. So this will cancel this and this will be cancelled, and this and this will get cancelled. So in this way we can made a valid parenthesis, means parenthesis, a string of parenthesis that will be a valid one. So see this here. We have to return what? Minimum number of moves required to make s given a string s here valid. How many minimum number of moves required? Three moves. So if we add three more here for this string, if we add three more closed parentheses, then it will become valid. For this, these two are valid one, so only one closed bracket is given, that is called parenthesis. So we need to add one open bracket. So answer is one here. Hope it is clear to you. Now let's see this. Let's see its code. See this here. First, what I have done is I have calculated the length of the given string s. We have been given one string s, so I have calculated its length. Then I have created, you can see here, one stack, st equal to a stack. Here I am denoting it st as a stack. So I have created one stack. I have taken one variable c equal to 0. For loop, this loop will run. If I will get open bracket, then what I will do is I will append this bracket into the stack. If they only in the as we have seen in the example, we will be given, or the question is saying we will be given only two types of bracket, either this open or this closed. Any one means any one will be given. If we have been given open bracket, then we will append this bracket into the stack. If we are not given this, it means what? We have been given this closed bracket. If we have closed bracket, then I will come and check here. If st here, elif st, I am checking a stack exists or not. If a stack exists, then what I will do? I will pop. I will pop what? One open bracket. Here I have received one closed bracket. For this closed bracket, we can't, this condition is false. So I will come to this and I will check. It will check elif st means what here? St represents a stack, and I have written only this. It means what? A stack is, if a stack is not empty, then only we will do pop. If a stack is empty, then we will come here. The here, if a stack is not empty, then we will pop the character that is called here parenthesis or bracket. So let's assume, I am giving one more example. Let's assume one string has been given to me, and we are not given open bracket, we are directly given closed bracket, two closed bracket. So what we will do? Let's first select this bracket, first parenthesis, first open, come to here. Is s of I equal to open? No. Come to here, elif st is empty. Is st is there anything in the st? No. So count equal to count plus 1. So c will become, initially c was what? I had initialized with 0, so 0 will be replaced by 1. Now come to the second one, go here. Is s of I equal to open bracket? No. Is st contains something? No, no. So c equal to c plus 1, it will become 2. Now here, a string done. So we will be come out of the loop. I will come here. Length of st equal to 0. And what is the c here? C is 2. So return it. So for this, two closed bracket, how many open brackets required to make this string valid? Two. So that is the answer. Done. Now how much time, what will be the time complexity here for this program? The time complexity will be big O of n, because I am using only one for loop that is running from 0 to n, that is a string length of the string. Now what will be the space complexity? Since I am using a stack, so space complexity will also be what? Big O of n.